Hello. I hope you guys are doing alright because I'm not. I've just come from the ride. Like I came back yesterday और तब से मेरी हालत नहीं है कुछ भी करने कहीं भी जाने की. In fact, one of my cousins is flying out for studies और मैं उसको छोड़ भी नहीं पा रहा to the airport. Like I can't even see him off at the airport. And हमारे क्रू की टेक्निकल गुरुजी मेरे घर पे बैठी हुई है. Say hi, Richa. Yeah. Because tech support बहुत important factor होता है to make a video or any videos. So she's helping me sort my storage out. फिर उसके बाद एडिट करना है, म्यूज़िक डालूंगा, कल ऑफिस भी है, सो इट टेक सम टाइम अंटिल देन. स्टे ट्यून. मैं ये स्टे ट्यून इनको क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, ये तो वैसे भी देख रहा है. समथिंग वियर्ड विद मी बोल रहा हूँ मैं. आओ, बहुत पीछे नहीं लेते यार सीट है. हाँ याद है. हाँ. The GoPro's memory card, the SD card that we put in the GoPro, it got corrupted, so it wasn't recording. Third biggest fuck up. So I use a Google Pixel camera and the camera application started crashing. There was some software issue and that is why I couldn't even post any stories, nor I could make any videos, nor I could do anything that, you know, added up to something. My hair and my beard looks as messy as it could be. कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका. And it is also looking horrible because of these two buggers. तो इनको फिलहाल के लिए अलविदा कहते हैं. एंड लेट मी जस्ट पैक माई स्टफ और फिर कल सुबह मुलाकात होगी. बाय. गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके. डिडंट रियलाइज मैंने लाइट भी चालू करी, मैं नींद में था. या एंड एज यूजुअल आई एम लेट. क्यों होता है ये हर बार? It's 9:45 in the morning and we just took a break at Kalamburi McDonald's. This is the place. Yeah. I usually never stop here. Like इतना जल्दी ब्रेक नहीं लेता. Just had my peers with me. We had to stop. I didn't eat anything क्योंकि मैं घर से थोड़ा सा खा के आया था. And I was riding so slow because of those stumps that I was carrying. Now I think we can pick up a little pace, and the ETA to Alibaug is 11:35 in the morning. Let's see, if we don't take breaks, we'll reach on time. If we do, we won't. Simple. just parked our bikes and cars over here. थोड़ा सा लाइफ में अभी शांति चाहिए. बहुत ख़राब रास्ते और बहुत गर्मी के कारण लग चुकी है. तो मिलता हूँ थोड़ी देर बाद बाल ठीक करके, पक्का प्रॉमिस. यस ऑन है कि नहीं आई डोंट नो. एंड there's someone who's trying to learn how to ride a bike, and it's legendary, I think, is because what is legendary about this is कि she trying to learn how to ride on a Royal Enfield, which is known to be one of the most heaviest bikes in India. Isn't it great? Such a beautiful landscape. And why am I talking like Atal Bihari Vajpayee? I just noticed one of the most beautiful frames. Yeah, looks nice. And that's the Chanda Mama there, I think. What's up? For no reason at all.